Live your dream. Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It's used in over 100 countries and there are more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. And now 5 people in the world can understand English. But more importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just stop at but. They block themselves. They use but as an excuse not to conquer English. Successful people. There's a difference between failing and being a failure. If things don't work out, they still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself by your results. Do what you can. Never give up. Life is too short and unpredictable. What are you waiting for? Live your dream. Z, z, rose. There are roses. Ben. There are 3 bens. Bag. There are 3 bags. Clean. She cleans the house. Give. She gives a gift for him. Is lashes. There are 3 lashes. Watch. There are 3 watches. Space. There are 3 space. Cake. Catch. She catches a bird. Box. There are 3 boxes. Look. She looks beautiful. Hat. There are 3 hats. Map. There are 3 maps. Photograph. There are 3 photographs on the wall.